Hello guys, this is Mark. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here today we are doing troubleshooting on an issue regarding the parking brake. Because the parking brake is while running, the parking brake will engage and disengage, even if you are not touching the parking brake button there. Okay, so when we scan the car, there is a fault code regarding to communication issue with the module. So this is the module, parking brake module for the Aston Martin DB9. Uh, this model is the Rapid 2011. So if you are looking for the module is under if you are a left-hand drive car, is at the back seat of the driver, under the seat is located here. Okay, so it will be under here for this CD rack. The module is sitting here. Okay, and here's a tip on about that, regarding that issue, the communication with the control module. In here, when I check the pin here has lost contact, and lost contact when I remove the cover from the back here, this one, the cover here, and that wire with a black stripe, red stripe black here, and the red stripe green, they are the communication line for this one. And when I check this, the pin here, someone was already here. Maybe before, previously, this car was water came in this side here, and they cleaned it, and then this pin from the first one here is the communication line, and when I remove it from the socket here, just like the purple line here, there's a purple thing in here, just slide it out and you can pull the wire backside. And when I check the socket there are corrosion there are lost contact with the module, so I just do replace the pin inside, the female pin, and hopefully this one will be okay. To all of you guys that are suffering from lost communication with the APB, first check this one here, the socket here. Don't change the module right away. Okay.